I've got some brand new metrics to show you to prove that crypto.com recently has been number one of the best exchanges out there when it comes to the excitement surrounding this recent Bitcoin spot ETF hype and some of the volume that has increased from some of these exchanges. They're leading the pack right now, and this is very, very huge. And I want to share this detail with you because if you're a CRO coin holder, you've been watching the price action of CRO, and sure, if you were buying this thing before October, yeah, you had a nice move. We went 145%, 150% to the upside. Since then, we've came down. We're still up 81% from that day in October where we started to take off. Surrounding that fake news, actually, surrounding the launch of a BlackRock Spot Bitcoin ETF. Now that launch has occurred. The ETF is here. We had a little bit of a sell-off in Bitcoin and crypto, which is why CRO came down a little bit. And today, I got some good news that I want to share. And this is ahead of an AMA event from Chris Marszalek, the CEO of crypto.com, which I want to talk a little bit about. And we are still waiting on the launch of a US exchange, which might be getting closer and closer. Guys, I want to share some details with you on this awesome metric discovery that I found today. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let me get right in here, guys. So we are getting a bounce for CRO coin right now off the 8.7 cent level, a very crucial level, one that is pretty obvious we've been talking about for a while, and CRO is trying to find a reversal pattern versus Bitcoin. But this article came across my eyes today, and I wanted to share it with you. Now, we talked about a tweet recently from Chris Marszalek where he mentioned himself that there was a very large increase in trading volume on the exchange, and he predicted 10x gains on top of that volume. And for tokens and for these exchanges and just for crypto growth overall, he predicted 10x growth. This is a CEO of a major exchange. Now, I found this article today, and I want to share a little bit of detail with you with some very important numbers. Crypto.com, Bybit, and other centralized exchanges see trading volume skyrocket in December. This is huge for crypto.com. This is what you need crypto.com to see if you're a CRO coin holder. First of all, it's the leading name of exchange on this publication, which is great. So brand name, getting some notoriety here, that's good to see. But why are they leading with crypto.com, you might wonder? Well, look at the spot trading value of major centralized exchanges and look at the competition. Look at what's going on in December. The percentage change is the key here, guys. And you will see that crypto.com is leading the pack. Number one on this list, up 49% on trading volume over the last month and in December. And that is super, super great to see. For derivative trading volume in December, there was a 22.3 month-on-month increase among major exchanges. The top three in percentage were crypto.com, BitGet, and Binance. The bottom three were maxi at negative 13%, Huobi at negative 5%, and KuCoin at 14%. But crypto.com was on top. And if you'll notice, we talk a lot about crypto.com versus Binance on this channel because I believe crypto.com is going to catch up to the market cap of Binance, at least achieve the probably the market cap of Binance from the bear market. And we're looking at possibly maybe a $50 billion market cap for crypto.com, possibly even more in this next bull cycle. We're going to keep an eye out for those metrics, but this is a key, guys. Double the gains over Binance in terms of money coming in. That's a percentage, guys, not a dollar amount. Binance had more because Binance is a bigger exchange still, but this is a stride in the right direction for crypto.com. Leading the pack, the number one exchange in percentage gains in the month of December, which is fantastic. And now we have Chris Marszalek coming out with an AMA. And the big thing I'm looking out for in this AMA, and I want to urge you guys, by the way, please submit your questions for this AMA. And I know, guys, the biggest question here is going to be, when are you going to launch the US exchange for retail traders? And I would like to see him answer that question on this upcoming AMA on the 19th of January. We're probably going to hear him talk about the success of the exchange and the fact that they were just number one in December for the percentage increase on volume on the exchange. that is a good thing. And we want to talk about the victories for this product, and that's what he should do on his AMA. But we also want to talk about some of the failures and some of the things you want to see improvements on, from customer service on the app to also when are you going to launch this major exchange so we can use all your products. That's a big question that a lot of the crypto.com users have, as well as the price action. But I do think that they are hinting that there's more to come. Now, they do have a unique landing page for each country, and so that's real, guys. But no, they are one of the only exchanges that have a CFTC regulated crypto options and derivative product, which is fantastic to see, guys, because you do want to see your bet be not crushed by the regulators, but supported by the regulators. And if you are investing in crypto.com CRO, then you probably already know this, but if you don't, crypto.com is one of the most highly regulated exchanges, which means they're probably going to get in the least amount of trouble with the US government, with a variety of governments. And in 2024, we might see this exchange launch, and that could be even bigger, guys. I do believe that we can see a $2 to $5 CRO at some point in this next bull cycle. To see crypto.com leading the pack, being the #1 exchange and percentage increase in volume in this recent gathering of data from December is very significant, and you should be excited about it if you're a CRO coin holder. If you want to learn more about crypto in general and about Cronos, then you should probably smash that like button for us to help other people find this video in the YouTube algorithm, but most importantly, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell for more crypto content in the future, guys. That's all I got for you in this one. I am a mega crypto.com bull. We're not sponsored by them. I do own a lot of crypto.com tokens because I myself believe in this company. I believe in this coin and the future of it in this bull cycle. But that's all I got in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content, and as always, guys, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and of course, we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all.